going to do, we are going to create a tracking service which will get the latest GPS location. So basically when any user wants to try to track his car, in that case what we are going to do, it should give the latest lat long, right? The latest in last. So what I did here, you can see in the deep view, I created a tracking controller. Let me take you there. Not this one, this is another project. Yeah, here. So here you can see I have a tracking controller, simple API with a URL slash track slash vehicle ID, right? This URL, at this URL, user will hit and then it will get the latest geolocation, basically latest vehicle location, and where it is going to do in the service. I have telemetry service. You can see tracking service. Here it is going to find top by vehicle ID, order by timestamp. So we need to descend it, right? Yeah. So this is the repository you can see, and then we are tracking it. So this was very simple. It is going to fetch from the MongoDB, right? And one more thing I added this time. I added Swagger dependency to hit the APIs to see if the packet is successfully uh, we get the packet successfully or not. So this Swagger doc will, what it will do, it will kind of give us a website, actually localhost URL, from where we can hit the APIs, right, which we have written it here. So this one, you remember, this tracking controller, where it is, this API it is going to hit. Okay, so this is the method, and now I have run this. Let me show you the Swagger. In this case, yeah, where is it is, 1 second. Yeah, here you can see. So when we click this API Swagger index.html, what will happen? It will load all the APIs which have been created, right? So here we have only one API, which is from tracking controller /track /vehicle ID. We need to pass it, right? So suppose I pass the vehicle ID to be 1, then what it is going to do? It is going to give us the latest timestamp of the particular device, right? So here you can see we have calculated this and this telemetry request. It is going to paste the values, right? And after that it is going to return the response. So let's see the response. I have not consoled it, I think. Yeah, I have not consoled it. But yeah, here you can see in the response section of the Swagger page, here we get the details of device ID, then latest lat long, these things. Let me check in the MongoDB. Here you can see we have vehicle ID, all the records, but here we have only one record, so it is showing that only 2257 latitude and 88.36 as the longitude. Here you can see in the Swagger 28, then 88.36. So this is kind of working fine. Cool. Yeah, so this I wanted to show you about the GPS tracking. So this is going to track the GPS. Now we need to map this to some UI so that we can see our vehicle last location or latest location by hitting this API. We will do that in next video. For this video it was great, I think. Now let me go to the Zira portal. There we can update it, right? So here on the Zira, what we have done, we have completed this one, right? DPU, it is in progress, which is great. MongoDB this integration we have completed, right? So let me do it into done. Yeah, assign, let me assign this to this person. Yeah, tracking API to keep the record. Just right now we just did it, right? And it is in progress, or you can mark it to be 10 for now. Right now we need to use this one, right? It is in progress. DPU will be still all the works we are going to do in the DPU only. So yeah, now we are going to have a web/mobile app visualization. Cool. Let me assign it, or we can do it in the next video. That would be better, right? Yeah, that's the great thing, I think. Cool. We'll see you in the next video.